Hey everyone, Enigma Coin Collector here, and we're back with another mail call. Happy Easter, and I'm really excited for this one, and I want to discuss things with you a little bit about this. Inside this box should be my 2022 proof set. Now, a while back, I did unboxing videos on the 2022 American Women's Quarters Clad and Silver proof set, and when I got this in the mail, I realized something. That is that those quarters are going to be in the proof sets. So in a way, I kind of double ordered on those quarters, and I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with those now that I have them, but we'll get to that a little bit later. This box came, it's addressed to me. We're going to open it live, and we're going to see this proof set. This is the Clad version. Silver proof set will be released later in the year, but I wanted to go over this with you today. Let's see if I can get this out without revealing any paperwork. Yep, it seems like this came just like the rest in a bubble mailer. And here's our first look at the 2022 Clad proof set. Like the box. On the back, you can see very similar to what they had for the American Women's Quarter Series. They've got the 5 portraits of the honorees. They also have the designs of the coins that are in there. So let's get into it. There they are. So it looks like we've got the COA. As Mint State's proof set. And there is all of the information. You can pause the video if you want to read that. And it looks like we've got 2 slabs here. We'll start with the standard denomination set here without the quarters. And they look very well done. A little bit of movement in there. Yeah, looks like the blue card moves around a little bit, but I'm not sure that's going to make an impact on the coins at all. And I don't see any defects with the coins, just some smudges from me wiping off the dust and lint from packaging on the case. But man, those are some nice coins. Maybe we might have spoke a little too soon. We might have some marks there. You can see, in God we trust, there appears to be something there. That's not on the surface. Wow. Guys, I might have a scratched set here. Yeah, there's something going on there for sure. That is a shame. Looks like there's some dust in the Jefferson right there in the field to the right of his face. Yeah, there's some dust there too. See if I can get it on the Sacagawea dollar. So below average quality, I would say. Check out the reverses. Looks like we've got a new design on the back of the dollar. That's cool. The reverses look a lot better than the obverses. Wow, that's interesting. We're going to set those aside. Now, this is what I want to get into because I already purchased this, and I think if I just pull out the Clad American Women's Quarter Series quarters, this is basically going to be the exact same thing. So in a way, I double purchased, and I actually am not really thrilled about that. That was a mistake that I made. It wasn't a mistake that the Mint made, unlike those coins on the slab there. But let's check these out, see if they have any defects. There's a lot of lint on these cases. Yeah, they look good. And there's Washington. Yeah, this is just dust on the case. So these look fine. Let me go ahead and break out my the Clad proof set for the American Women's Quarter Series and see if there's a difference in the slab at all. I'll be right back. All right, I've got the Clad American Women's Quarters proof set right here that I reviewed on the channel. And let's take a look. Yeah, they're going to be exactly the same. So unfortunately, I've got doubles on these sets, and I don't really like having duplicates in my collection, so I'm going to have to figure out what to do with them. Maybe we will be offering them up in terms of an auction. But yeah, they are identically the same. Yeah, the cases are the same. Packaging's is different, but that doesn't really bug me too much. So if you bought the quarters thinking that you needed to get them, you're going to get them in the proof set. And that just slipped my mind, like I said. So they're exactly the same. So it's good that I did that. At least you guys can benefit from that. I took a closer look at these coins, and let me tell you what, it's a little bit weird because, and I don't know if you can see on the Sacagawea dollar, but the issues are in the In God We Trust, right below it and above it, there appears to be scratches. I actually can see shadows on those, so what I'm thinking is there might be some dust on the inside of the cover that I can't see, instead of it being scratches, because I can see, if I get it in the right light, I could see a shadow on the coin of that element. So either the plastic on the inside, I think, is scratched, or there's dust on the inside of the case. So I don't think there's a defect with the coin. I just think that they didn't clean the plastic very well. And I can see some lint here to the right on the fields of Sacagawea as well. Also on this case, it appears that this lip here is a little bit protruding. And this lip is a little bit recessed, so either they put this on backwards, I'm not really sure, but basically this edge here, there's a pronounced edge right here that I can get my finger on, and you can see right here that there's a little bit of a gap. At least I'm trying to show that the best I can. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be rotated or if this is just out of spec, but a little bit sloppy in terms of construction and assembly, and some dust and lint on the inside. So as far as my review for the 2022 Clad proof set, I only got one of them because that's all I really wanted to. Little underwhelmed in the quality on these, and disappointed that I didn't catch the fact that I'd be getting these anyway in the Clad proof set, as opposed to buying them separately in the American Women's Quarter proof set by themselves. So I'm going to get the silver proof set for sure, which means that I've got extras of those. Like I said, I might be offering those up for an auction on my channel. Stay tuned for more on that. So that's going to do it for me today. I do have more videos planned in the future. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this video, I'd appreciate you clicking that subscribe button. It helps me more than you may know. If you got something to say, leave it in the comments below. Appreciate that thumbs up. And remember, it's always a mystery until you open that box from the United States Mint and see what kind of job they did with your coins. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. Happy Easter, and I'll catch you on the next one.